Ready to tackle your next big project in Port Charlotte, Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters is here to make your cleanup a breeze. With our unbeatable dumpster rental Port Charlotte, Florida prices, we provide the perfect waste disposal solution for everything from home renovations to significant cleanouts. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple landfill trips and hello to our convenient driveway dumpsters, delivered right to your doorstep. Just load it up, and we'll take care of the rest, ensuring your project stays on track and stress-free. Get excited about your project and leave the waste management to us. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we're committed to offering top-quality service at prices that won't break the bank. Our friendly team will help you choose the ideal dumpster size for your needs, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Visit our website at www.bigdawgfl.com or call us at 743-244-3294 to get a quote and see how we can help make your project successful. Let's make cleanup easy and efficient. Choose Big Dawg Dumpsters for all your dumpster rental needs in Port Charlotte, Florida.